Calm water pools, fiberglass in-ground, one-piece shells. Calm water pools installs pools in any situation. In this particular location, we came in through the backyard, through a mile of field, so not to disrupt the neighborhood. The only other way to do this was to provide a crane, which would have cost the homeowner significantly more money. At this point, what you're seeing is the helpers measuring the depth of the hole. The width of the hole has been marked out to accept the pool shell. Once all of the dirt has been taken out and the hole is excavated, they will go get the pool shell. As you can see, the pool shell excavator is going to the truck. It's got a spreader bar on it, so that way the sides do not bend at all while the shell is being hoisted off the truck with the excavator and taken to the location. The pool shells are an oversized load and necessitate having 2 escorts. On some of the larger pools, we actually have 3 escorts. And this is necessary to handle traffic coming into our smaller neighborhoods. Now that the hole is done and the pool is brought into the backyard, it is carefully positioned into place. It'll have a very, very tight fit. It'll be backfilled with stone and water at the same time and then completed.